Hey ladies, what a beautiful time we had here at Google Cloud. Give us your experience of today.
Well, today's experience is fun. That's one thing I can say. It's interesting. It has been exhilarated. It's so wonderful. It was so nice to see what Google is doing in Africa.
Yeah.
We were at the Fiverr chat, and we also found that, because I'm a Vodacom user, so I found it interesting to know that Vodacom is also working with Google.
Yeah.
They're collaborating. So it shows that in Africa we're growing. I remember at some point we were like, no, we don't want robots to do our surgeries.
Yeah.
We don't want machines. But now we are open to that because, Kunjana, Discovery is also working with Google in helping to find cures for diseases, helping to diagnose, certain things. So who knows, there might be a cure for CP since I was born with it.
Yeah.
So maybe one day now I'll be running like Casa Simenia. But I find it interesting. I'm willing to network, to grow, to expand. There's so many fields in Google and it's so broad. So I am very honored to be accepted by Google because I know a lot of people that registered and they didn't go in.
Yeah.
So this is I'm quite honored.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. And to you, my friend, I would want to ask one question. Where do you see the future of tech, and how does it help young people in South Africa?
The future of tech, I see it growing and helping young people beyond, and young people can get that help from AI. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Awesome. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us here on TechPublished, and all the best with your future endeavors.
Thank you.
You're ready to go for the AI penalty challenge. How do you feel about it? I've seen you warm up. How do you feel about it?
I went through some serious, rigorous practice before this. Me and my coach, we've been practicing for this moment. I think for 6 weeks in camp, we've been planning to do this. So I'm about to go in. I have 3 attempts to make sure that one of them goes through that box. And I know that that's 33.3 chances of me getting at least one in. So I'm gonna go there and show you what I've practiced, and I can kick with both feet, but I'm gonna use the right for this test. So
awesome.
I'm ready, I'm excited. Hopefully I'm gonna get it right.
Yeah, thank you, man. You honestly seem like a person with vast experience in the tech field. What would you say this means to young African developers only starting in the game?
Okay, as a person that's starting at now, I'll say don't just focus on learning about AI, what AI can do. You can do this, a bit of this and a bit of that, but actually start by finding your ground first. Let's say I was learning to be a software engineer today. I wouldn't just straight on move to coding with AI, but I'll start by grasping the basics first. And then after grasping the basics, it's all about now understanding how can AI make some task easy for you. Because let's say you're a dev, how can you don't need to maybe create a simple front end, the designs and everything, because AI can do that. But where do you come in? It's a matter of understanding that gap.
Yeah.
So I think as somebody that's starting out, don't just start with something that's hard and complex, but start with something easy. Then you can move on, build step by step.